right hash. Ball's gonna be out. It was Brace Martin Aplique who knocked it loose. Temple has it. They're up the left side. The 40, the 30, the 20, the 10, the 5. Touchdown Temple. Tavon Young picks it up and the Owls are on the board. Under center, gonna hand it off to Kenny Harper, and he's gonna pound his way in for a Temple touchdown. Temple increases their lead. Now they're up 13-0 with 2:50 to go in this first quarter. Harden, hands up, off the middle, ball's on the ground. It looks like Tyler Minikevich jumped on it. We're waiting for the official signal, and it's gonna be Temple football. How about that? Temple forces their third fumble of the day. Walker under center. We're gonna hand it up the middle of Kenny Harper, and he's gonna tiptoe his way in for a Temple touchdown. Temple increases their lead. They're now up 20-3. 3, 2, 1, 0. For the first time since October 17th, 1998, the Temple Owls have taken down a top 25 team. The Owls make the Pirates walk the plank. Temple wins 20-10. What a victory at Lincoln Financial Field.